Welcome to the power of positive thinking. In this section, we will explore how focusing on constructive thoughts and attitudes can transform obstacles into opportunities for growth, ultimately enhancing your performance during exam preparation and throughout your clinical training. To begin, positive thinking involves deliberately concentrating on empowering beliefs and attitudes. This mindset helps you approach challenges with optimism, which not only improves your resilience, but also boosts your overall performance. When you choose to replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations, you build a mental environment that is conducive to learning and effective problem-solving. One key scientific concept behind positive thinking is neuroplasticity. Our brain is incredibly adaptable, meaning that with regular practice of positive affirmations and visualization techniques, you can rewire your neural pathways. In practical terms, this means that by consistently engaging in positive thinking, you enhance your brain's ability to manage stress, improve cognitive function, and support better memory retention. The changes you foster through these techniques are real, measurable, and contribute significantly to your academic and clinical performance. Moreover, a positive mindset transforms obstacles into opportunities. When you face setbacks, viewing them as temporary and surmountable not only builds your confidence, but also encourages you to persist and learn from every challenge. For example, if you encounter a difficult exam question or a clinical scenario that seems overwhelming, your positive outlook will help you see it as an opportunity to grow and improve, rather than as an insurmountable barrier. It's important to incorporate practical applications of positive thinking into your daily routine. Consider using daily affirmations, simple, positive statements such as, "I am capable, I am well prepared, and I will succeed." These affirmations help reinforce your self-belief and keep you focused on your goals. Additionally, use visualization techniques by mentally rehearsing successful exam scenarios. By picturing yourself confidently tackling difficult questions or managing challenging clinical cases, you can reduce anxiety and build confidence over time. Embracing positive emotions also contributes to better emotional resilience. By focusing on gratitude and maintaining a positive attitude, you enhance your emotional regulation, which is crucial during intensive study periods. This resilience not only helps you manage stress more effectively, but also supports your overall mental health, ensuring that you remain balanced and ready to take on the challenges of your clinical training. In summary, the power of positive thinking is far more than just an abstract concept. It has tangible, measurable effects on your brain and performance. By adopting a positive mindset and practicing regular affirmations and visualization, you can rewire your brain for success, turning every challenge into an opportunity to grow. Embrace these practices as integral components of your study routine, and you will not only improve your exam performance, but also lay the foundation for a successful, fulfilling clinical career. Thank you for joining this module. Remember, your thoughts and words have the power to shape your reality, so stay positive and keep believing in yourself.